Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the new DSpace 10 theme. And friends, before showing you working demo, I must say if you will have any kind of queries, session requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog, therichpost.com. Here's contact us page. You will get my email ID, WhatsApp number, and a POCO ID as well. And also, you will get multiple free things on my blog. And also, I'm a full-time freelancer. You can hire me for your subsidy as well. And friends, back to DSpace theme. Let me show you the version as well. The 10, the new version. See, remember files. I have customized it, and here is the output you can see. And also, I am working on it, so you will get more things in the future as well for DSpace. And also guys, I am working with OJS. You can also tell me your OJS work as well. And for now, DSpace, see guys, top section, see the main hero section, see the beautiful search, explore repository, see friends. Scroll below, beautiful stat as well, community collections, see why choosers, see the beautiful section, love it, and footer. So guys, see the beautiful DSpace customized theme. And also I have more things for DSpace. You can check my blog as well and my YouTube channel. And friends, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And also I must say a few things. After it, I will come with more DSpace themes as well, and also OJS as well. And friends, please support me and subscribe my channel. And in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.